Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna actually show you how to make a finger surfboard known as like the windeck. So first you come in this 123D design, and what you actually want to do is make the outline or the shape that you want to do. I don't know, I really don't know, like this one, or like I don't know. So you click the spine and then I don't know, make it like you gotta use like 4 points and then make it like this. Like this. Yeah, I guess that's good. And then what you wanna do now, so you have the base here. And then you just wanna make like the back side, and then you click polyline, and then you just make a line here so it's symmetrical. So put it on 0 degrees. You want it straight like this. And then what you want to do is make the back side. I do this. And then what you want to do is go here and click trim. And now trim this off. And what you want to do now is do the same thing on the other side, but here you want to have a dot, I don't know, like this and this, and now trim this off like so, and now you have the basic shape. And now put in a sphere, and then smart scale it like this, like it has to have some overlay, just like so. Like this. Okay, and then you actually wanna like, oh, let me just do this. So you wanna make it like thinner, like I don't know. In my opinion, I'd do like 9 millimeters. Okay, now do this, like this, and then copy it, and then paste it, and then you have this thing, and then put it up 2 millimeters, and press enter. Now when you have this, you have these. Wait, let me just delete these lines because they look stupid. I don't like him. Okay, just delete all these lines. Well, if you want to. You don't need to, but yeah, I'm deleting them. Okay. And then you press subtract, and you click this one, and then this, and you press enter. So you have this kind of thing. And then when you do that, you wanna extrude this one, and then here press intersect, so you have the shape done. Okay, and now it's actually folded like so, like it's bent. And then you actually want to trim the edges, just make them not sharp. I'm gonna do this like 2, okay, like this. See, I'm gonna trim the other edges like so, and then one, yeah, on these edges, the whole thing, and this, and then this, and trim it like 0.5. I don't know, yeah, let's do this. Okay, so we have this design. So now, if you want to, you can do what I do, but you don't need to. I just do it because it looks good. It looks better, you know. Yeah, okay. And now, you want to do this, just sketch a rectangle, and just sketch a miniature rectangle, like this. And then you want to extrude this rectangle. Let me just do this. Okay. You want to extrude this rectangle like 9 millimeters. And then you actually want to make a polyline, like, I don't know, just cut this thing off, like it looks better without it. Just do this, and now extrude this, extrude it back, like just a little bit, like this. Then you press subtract, so you delete this part. Okay. Right now this thing is in the air, so I'm just, okay, choose it and then press D, so it goes in the bottom, like this. But yeah, basically you can do that. Okay, now delete this part. Oh my god, can't do it. Why not? Okay, yeah, delete this, and then just move this thing on here, and wait, no, don't do that. Okay, and then you just want to move it like up a bit, so it doesn't show down here, like this. And then if you want to, like you need to, just center it now. Okay, I'm gonna do 1.5. Yeah, this is center. Okay. And then you just want to mesh this together. So merge. And then press this, and press this. And then you press enter. So it merges. And now you just want to fill it the edges. Like trim them. Okay. Just like this. And then just like this. Do this one just a little bit, because you don't need to do a lot. Like, you don't need to do all of it. Okay, like this. And then you just want to add, fill it these edges. Like, I don't know, 1, maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna do 1. You can do whatever you like. but I did one. And then you have this pretty looking board. Why is it not on there? Press T. Why isn't it working? Okay, whatever. So, and now you have this thing, which is currently floating. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just so dumb that I can't. What? Okay, this is a glitch. Yeah. So this is the final product, and that's really easy to do. And now I tell you to subscribe and like this video if you liked it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye.